I've been watching.
Queen.
Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Susie. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because you're gonna love it here. But yeah, we do a bunch of DIYs and we do vlogs every Tuesday now. And yeah, let's get into it. So y'all, this video is not gonna be 100% detailed because I got a lot of other videos where I done showed y'all what I be doing or whatever. So we went ahead and already cut out our dress and now we just cutting up the back part. I mean, right down the center. So we can put our zipper in. But let me tell y'all the backstory on this dress. So my niece wanted a homecoming dress and she had ordered one because it was last minute. And right here I am just cutting out the top of the mesh and then we're going to cut out the bottom skirt part. But I ain't show y'all that part. But I'm going to show y'all it laid out or whatever. But y'all, she was going to homecoming. She had ordered a dress late and then when it got to her, it was like missing ruffles and all type of stuff, and I literally had I think like 4 days. So we're gonna attach the skirt and the mesh part together. As you seen, I've had it pinned, and this is the zipper part. We are applying the zipper. If y'all want a more detailed video on the zipper, go watch the one where I installed the prom dress. I got a little more detail. So this is me attaching the top together, and y'all, this is literally it. I ain't even got time to finish the story. I hope y'all like this. Make sure y'all shop, put y'all next order in, follow me on all social media sites, and I love you guys oh so much. Thanks for watching and enjoy. Let me know what y'all think. Bye. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. They do a masquerade theme, and this is it right here. This is what it's looking like. I gotta pin it. I mean, not pin it, but I gotta sew it down.
Fast women, Jackie Joyner cursing. Have your cake and eat it, baby. It's your
I've
birthday.
been watching.
Bless go forever. Bless go forever.